kemesraan ini.
Hey Alicia.
Oh hi, I did see you there. Did you already get a paper?
Yeah, read over here.
I'm glad we had time to meet up.
Me too. So what's going on?
Not much. You?
Not much. Hey, how did your interview go? Once that today.
Oh yeah, I think it went well. I don't know if I got the job yet, but they said they would call in a few days.
Well, I'm sure you did great. Good luck.
Thanks, I'm just happy that is over. I was really nervous about it.
I can understand that. I get nervous before interview too.
Well, thanks for being supportive. I appreciate it.
Sure, no problem.
Well, I have to go now. See you next time.